Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. So for this, first you're going to take a sheet and then on this sheet you're going to draw this. After drawing it, you simply have to cut it like this. Now take some straws and cut them. Now insert them into the glass like this, and after doing so, you can see how perfectly this will work after inserting them all together. For your next art, you have to take a green sheet like this, and after taking it, you can simply fold them into 4 equal pieces or into 4 equal sides. Then you have to note the movement or the direction of the fingers and keep tracking the movement. After doing it, you will obtain that you have attained this step, and after this step, you can simply make this, and don't forget to add an eye. And yes, don't forget to fold the legs of these dragons. Make this and cut it. After cutting them, you can simply paste these Q-tips as being shown. Now color the edges of the Q-tips and roll the clay inside it. Now take a stick and insert it. After doing that, you can see how perfectly they work. Take a bottle and cut it. After doing so, you can take these strips and roll them with the help of a stick. Now simply overlap the bottle and then you can take another pair of sheet and make this pattern. After doing so, you can simply roll them over here. And after doing that, you can see that how perfectly we have been wrapping this different layers or different sheets, and what we have obtained. Well, this hanging effect or the hanging object looks very great. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.